Welcome everybody. Today we have Webstor from Masters of the Universe. His gimmick was he had like a backpack with a grappling hook on it, and you had a winch and pulley system in it where you could make him climb or rappel. Evidently there was some kind of, he got wet or something spilled on him because he got some chemical reaction going on here about where his backpack used to be. This was one of the first ones I remember, the plastic shell backpack rather than the straps. He does have the power punch action. Of course, spider-based guy. Got some extra eyeballs up top here. Standard. 3-toed foot, fuzzy feet, and the monster gauntlet arms. Since I don't have his backpack, I don't really have a whole lot to show off on him. He's sort of like Cobra Khan yesterday. He's in good shape as far as his hips are reasonably stable. They're not. He's actually a little wobbly more on his power punch than he was on the hips. But like I say, he came with he had a grappling hook, and it was actually a poor design because once it pulled out, you had the string laying all over the place. It was liable to get tied up in knots and everything, but it was still cool to have something. You pull on the string and you just zip on up. His head, it still spins, turns. Let's say I'm not sure what happened here. I don't think that's. Yeah, that's some kind of, it's bubbling up from the inside. So I spilled something on him at some point, and it's sort of reacted with the surface, whatever material that is, because it's not rubbing off or anything. Oh well. But anyway, that was Webstor. He's going to be a prime candidate for restoration if I can. I don't know if you can even buy the backpacks separately anymore. I'm sure eBay has something along that, but I have to keep that in mind when I start looking for restoring all these old toys. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.